So I'm gonna change this. All right, it wasn't like that before, but it did have that JB weld all over it. It broke. I don't know. My cousin broke it. JB welded it. Yeah. Long story short, yeah, I couldn't get the screw back out, so I just broke it and ripped it out. But that was after I had this. So sorry about that. So new signal. So we're gonna get to this, and yeah, back to it. Forgot to show you probably the most important part. I mean, because it's super easy. You're literally, so this slides up to come off, like so. Then they clip together. That's the thing you lift up to pull them apart when you need to. Come on, damn it. Alright, I can't do this with one hand. Alright, so back on. These are going to take a little time to be molded. I think I'm going to zip tie it up. So as you can see, that was super easy. People make it seem, everything seems so much more difficult than it is. It's really not. So taking all this off to get to this is probably more difficult, but I took that off a long time ago to get the dash in and out. Yeah. So now it's gonna take some getting used to without a steering wheel there, but yeah, now that isn't broken, and never had this, so I don't even know how this works. Hazards, which is pretty funny. So there's the train. That's my cue. There's old stuff. Thanks for the support, man. Got any questions, let me know. Like and subscribe. Hello.